I would like to know more about like how long you have been learning this language. When you have started, I mean.
Yeah, well, I have started my journey. I have been started my journey since last 2 months. Uh,
Okay.
yeah. Before that, what I have felt in our court, all the our colleagues and all the judges, in West
Okay.
Bengal, they used to move any matter only through the Bengali language.
Okay.
In spite of preparing all the documents in English, but at the time of moving, all the colleagues and all the judges, they are
Okay.
using only their mother
Native
tongue.
language.
Yeah,
Okay, you can say
only
native
mother tongue. Yeah, that's the main problem here. That's
language.
why I'm nowadays I'm intent to enhance my fluency in English. Yes, I
Great,
am.
great.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so how much time you are devoting to learn this language?
Nowadays,
Yes.
yeah. And due to pandemic in our courts, there we have passed some resolution regarding not to enter the advocates as well as all the litigants as well as all the strangers. There are some restrictions, and nowadays we are spending our days like holidays. That's why I thought that why can't I provide or I spend my days with some enhance my fluency in English so that yeah, I have get another one precious stone in my crown, and it will
Okay,
also help me a lot, to move my
absolutely.
matter in another states also. And nowadays I'm spending my days with some kind of the reading of novels, what I like, and some hearing some speeches from the others like the Gogopal Das, like the Simajit Singh, and some what I shall say, Sonu Sharma. Sonu Sharma is a inspirational motivator, and me too. I want to be a one day motivational speaker like
Great,
them. Yeah,
great. If you stick, I can see passion towards learning. When you are speaking, it shows how
yeah,
enthusiastic you are. So that is what required. When you need, when you have a hunger to learn something, you will achieve it slowly
yeah,
but steadily. You know, you will achieve that. That is what it requires. We need to learn the language, and I am sure you must know that it takes time. You cannot learn this language within a month or two, or if anyone is
yeah,
saying that you will learn this language within a month, 2 or 6 months, it totally depends on you. How much time you are dedicating, how much time you are devoting towards learning. If you want to become a fluent speaker, if you want to speak English fluently, the only one thing required you is speak as much as you can. If you don't have anyone at home, what you can do, take out your mobile, start recording, video recording.
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
And
I usually do it. I usually do it, and after hearing all my recordings, all my MP3, and I have seen that there is some mistakes also there, and I can find out it.
that
And
is great.
yeah, and that's why me too. On that way, I am willing this way, me to trying to correct myself also.
That is, it is one of the precious thing. If you are able to figure out, if you are able to evaluate
Yeah,
by yourself, then is, I really appreciate that thing. Very few people will be able to evaluate, or very few people will be able to uh, make our mistakes, correct our own mistakes. That is the really good thing. I really appreciate that.
yeah. I am very much passionate about this nowadays. And I must say, I'm pretending that one day
Wow.
I'll be a fluent speaker. Yeah,
Great, great, great. You are absolutely, what within few minutes, what I figure out that you are making very small mistakes, which can be, ignore. Just move with the same flow. Don't ever feel that you are not good in this language,
Yeah.
because the thought flow and the words delivering are perfect. Whatever you have thoughts in your head, you are delivering with ease. That is more than enough. If you are, conveying your messages, whatever in your head,
Yeah.
and the person with whomever you are speaking is understanding, that's it. That is what we say spoken English, right?
But I thought that nowadays, after seeing all my first videos, whatever
Mm-hmm.
met with my uh, teacher or my subscriber,
Okay.
uh, I I have seen that I made some mistakes in
Yes.
my conversation. Yeah, that's why I'm nowadays working on it, and not only that, I'm trying to enhance my skill from beginner level to some upper level, because there I need
Level.
some, yeah, there I need some phrasal verb, there I need some idioms. Yeah, I'm working on it nowadays. And
Absolutely.
yeah, and I must one thing I would like to say that what about your opinion, like the others who have posted their videos or who are running their YouTube channel
Mm-hmm.
nowadays, and they just give a advertisement. You can make yourself, or you can prepare yourself as a fluent speaker within a 30 days. What is your opinion about this?
See, everyone has different perspectives. So if you ask my perspective, these people are, we can say they are correct. They are telling to those people who are already having a good command, but
Yeah,
they are unable to, share or convey their messages
yeah,
fluently. To those people, they are telling that if that kind of guys approach them, they can, train them. They will be able to speak within 30 days. But if a beginner, a guy who has never got any exposure of English, who is
yeah,
always been, learning uh, their education or completed his or her education from English or any native language,
yeah,
for that person it is not at all possible to speak in 30 days, because initially in 30 days he or she will, start gathering courage.
yeah,
Initially, most of the people, what how they start this learning of this language, they start teaching grammars, past tense, present tense, modal
yeah,
verbs, auxiliary
yeah.
verb. This all, slowly they move. They started teaching this thing, but it takes more than, I don't know how much time. It totally depends on person to person. That is
Exactly,
what.
exactly. I'm agree with you, because whenever you put your effort regarding your passion,
Mhm.
you can gain a lot. And
Absolutely.
otherwise you can't. Because they were advertising like this way. If you intend to join with me or with us, you will be a fluent speaker within a 30 days. How it can be possible?
No, in simple words, what I can say is, it is just a business tactic.
Yeah,
They are running a business, nothing more than that. If
but
someone asks me as a beginner, beginner or just starting learning this language, I tell, clearly that it will take time. It will totally depend on you, how much time you are, devoting. You should be
yeah,
passionate. You should
yeah,
not, should never consider this language as a subject.
yeah,
Start enjoying this language. Whatever you like, read books, either, fictional or non-fictional books, listen
right,
to podcast,
yeah,
Start with very small things like start reading what I can say cartoon.
Whatever you love. Yeah, cartoon is a fantastic thing.
Yes,
Cartoon
yes.
is a
One,
fantastic. Just listen and inhale it and exhale it
yeah.
like
Without
that.
input, there is no output. If you
Yeah,
don't have input, you cannot have output. The more you start consuming English,
yeah,
then only you will able to deliver those words.
yeah.
Otherwise,
Just
what
imitate it. Just
imitate,
imitate it.
uh,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
simple words you can say
But
imitate.
from my perspective, I would like to say that
Hmm.
it's my own opinion. Not I am telling to the others.
Hmm.
Reading is the first thing from where you can prove yourself as a fluent speaker or fluent learner. Because whatever I read once and
Hmm.
whatever I read again in twice,
Hmm.
I can imitate it from the book. And you must have gained a lot of fluency from your reading the books.
Yeah, it is for everyone different thing works.
Yeah,
As you have mentioned, if you are reading and uh, getting all those things, you will you are remembering whatever you are reading and
yeah,
you are
yeah,
able to deliver those words, then it is really great. But most of the time what happens when you read, many people suggest that when you are reading you should read loudly. It is
yeah,
useful,
yeah.
but what I feel is when you are reading aloud, it is helping your vocal. It helps you to pronounce words clearly so that
Exactly. I'm coming to this point. Yeah, yeah. Fantastic. Yeah, fantastic. Because whenever you start reading a book or reading a story, you
Mhm.
must read it aloud and you must hear it. Your
Yeah,
own voice. Yeah,
that is also a good way to improve your skills. While uh, reading and listening to your own voice can help you how you are pronouncing each and every word.
exactly,
So
exactly,
you can get
exactly.
when you are speaking with some other, how I am sounding, whether I am sounding,
Yeah.
whether pronouncing words correctly or not. That will really help us.
Yeah, at that very moment, if you had any kind of uh, what I shall say, any kind of doubt, then you just go for your Google and
Hmm.
hear the listen the original sounds so in Indian English, how is it pronounced, so that you can rectify it at the same moment.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And yeah, tell me one thing. How
Mhm.
did you find this kind of EnglishEAV.com? Because I know because some 1 or a month ago. How did
Okay.
you find? Yeah,
During last year lockdown, we
yeah,
happened to meet through one of the friends. He invited me in one group, and
yeah.
eventually I became one of the member, or I can say, uh, no, I'm not getting that. You can simply say I became a member of that group. During the conversation, we had multiple type conversation with him. Recently, few months ago, like 1 month ago, not more than that, he approached me and he asked me, would you like to become a tutor on this
Okay.
platform? I have started this new journey, so would you like
Yeah,
to become a part of this? I said, of course, why not? I would love to interact with people. I just love to share my experience with whoever going to connect with me, and I will try to uh, make their journey easy instead of learning following all the standard things whatever I have gone through in my life to reach this level whatever I have reached till now. It take me several years to reach at this level. So whatever I have learned, I can help. I can share my experience.
yeah, fantastic. I know. I have seen you are a fantastic speaker nowadays, and yeah, I think that it will help a lot to the learners and me too also, because I am also a learner here. Because I know I made some mistakes in my conversation, and
Yeah.
whatever I made, yeah, in my conversation, I found I will find it after having a conversation. Yeah,
Okay, great, great. That is, that is what we call enthusiasm, passionate. This is really great. Finding your own faults and, correcting it, and later on when you are speaking with some other, and at that time, if you are using correct words, then it is really, helpful for you. You
yeah.
can see own progress. You are evaluating your own progress. Then what more, uh, great news than this?
Because after having any conversation, repeatedly I am check it out what I have made it, where I have made the mistakes, and I'm trying in my
Mhm.
next conversation must check it out, and through the proper pronunciation, through the proper language, through the proper word at that mistakes place, and
Mhm.
trying to incorporate the same.
Great, great thing. You are making, you are a good listener, you are a good speaker as well. What you need to focus on, you are making very small mistakes. Like when you are sharing something about past tense,
Yeah,
you are either you are, using present tense in some places
yeah,
instead of
yeah,
using plural, you are
yeah,
using singular things. That is that is what I have found where you need to focus on. And I
yeah.
believe the way you are, uh, recording, you are recording the sessions, and later on you are evaluating, you can definitely going to grow.
Yeah, yeah, I will. I must say I will one day.
Sure.
Yeah, because given me only 15 minutes now, it is 17:16, and
Okay.
I thought, yeah, I thought that our session is over nowadays.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah. It
thank you for
was
joining.
talking to you. Yeah, it was great, wonderful talking to you.
Yeah,
Stay safe and keep learning. Uh, we will meet soon. If
yeah,
happen, I would like to meet you again, and we'll share our learnings, and
yeah,
we'll see progress.
yeah. Thank
Okay.
you, thank you. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Stay safe and
Bye
have
bye.
a great. Bye.